Today I am reviewing the Ninja Kitchen System. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today we're taking a deep dive into the powerful and versatile Ninja Kitchen System BR601AMZ, an all-in-one kitchen appliance designed to handle everything from smoothies and frozen drinks to chopping vegetables and even mixing dough. If you're looking for a machine that can replace multiple kitchen tools, this system aims to do exactly that. At the heart of this system is a 1,200-watt motor base, which provides serious power for tackling tough ingredients. Whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, or processing dense vegetables, this motor is built to handle demanding kitchen tasks without struggling. It's strong enough to turn ice into snow, which is ideal for making smoothies, milkshakes, and frozen drinks with a smooth, consistent texture. One of the standout features is the stacked blade assembly, which is specifically designed for total crushing performance. The blades are positioned in a way that pulls ingredients down into the blade path, ensuring everything gets blended evenly. This helps eliminate chunks and gives you a smoother result, especially when working with frozen ingredients or fibrous vegetables. Another major advantage of the Ninja Kitchen System BR601AMZ is its versatility. It comes with multiple attachments, including a full-size pitcher, an 8-cup food processor bowl, and two 18-ounce single-serve cups. This means you can prepare large batches for your family, smaller portions for meal prep, or quick drinks to take on the go. It's truly designed to adapt to different needs in the kitchen. The 72-ounce full-size pitcher is perfect for making large quantities of smoothies, soups, or frozen drinks. With a maximum liquid capacity of around 64 ounces, it gives you plenty of room to blend for multiple servings at once. This is especially useful for families or anyone who likes to prepare drinks in bulk. For more precise food prep, the 8-cup food processor bowl is a great addition. It allows you to chop vegetables, make sauces, and even mix dough. The included chopping blade and dough blade make it easy to switch between different tasks, helping you prepare ingredients for full meals without needing another appliance. The system also includes 5 preset programs: smoothie, frozen, extract, chop, and dough. These presets take the guesswork out of blending by automatically controlling speed and timing. With just a push of a button, the machine knows exactly how to handle your ingredients, making it especially convenient for beginners or anyone who prefers a more automated experience. If you prefer more control, the manual speed settings allow you to adjust between low, high, and pulse modes. This gives you the flexibility to fine-tune your blending process depending on the texture you want to achieve. Whether you want a chunky salsa or a silky smoothie, you're in full control. The included single-serve cups are perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go lifestyles. You can blend directly into the cup, attach the spout lid, and take your drink with you. This makes it easy to prepare quick smoothies or protein shakes without needing extra containers or cleanup. Cleaning is also relatively simple, which is an important factor for any kitchen appliance. The containers, lids, and blades are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Additionally, all components are BPA-free, which adds peace of mind when it comes to food safety. In terms of performance, the Ninja Kitchen System BR601AMZ delivers consistent and reliable results. It handles everything from soft fruits to hard ice with ease, and the motor maintains strong performance even during heavier tasks like dough mixing. The combination of power and versatility makes it suitable for both everyday use and more advanced cooking needs. However, like any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because of its powerful motor, it can be a bit loud during operation. This is common with high-powered blenders and food processors, but it's something to be aware of. Additionally, while it replaces multiple appliances, it does require counter space, so you'll want to make sure you have room for it in your kitchen. Overall, the Ninja Kitchen System BR601AMZ stands out as a highly capable, all-in-one kitchen system. It combines the functionality of a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker into one powerful unit. Whether you're making smoothies, preparing meals, or experimenting with recipes, this system gives you the tools to do it all efficiently. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and reliable kitchen appliance that can handle a wide range of tasks, this is definitely one of the top options to consider. It simplifies cooking, saves time, and delivers consistent results across a variety of uses.